Hello, everyone. My name's Karen Paolino, and I'm honored and excited to present my two-day post-convention Soul Entrainment training and certification. This will be live through Zoom, and it's a very powerful modality that I've been facilitating and training for the past 20 years. During the weekend, you're going to learn this powerful technique to access the wisdom of the soul. The soul knows everything about us, past, present, and future. You are going to receive a complete manual with a script, questioning, and techniques to use to help your clients reach the root causes of issues and to bring clarity, healing, and wisdom to any life issues that they need support on. So I hope you join me during this weekend. It will be powerful for yourself and for the clients that you serve. Blessings.